If a car travels at 60 kilometers per hour, what is the distance it travels in 30 minutes? So gamitin lang natin ito ng formula, distance formula. Ang distance ay equal sa rate times time. So ano bang given natin dito? Itong 60 kilometers per hour, ito ang ating rate. Tapos ang time natin dito is 30 minutes. So find the distance. So itong 30 minutes, kailangan i-convert natin ito sa hour kasi yung 60 kilometers kph ay in hour. So convert 30 minutes in hour. So we have 30 minutes, convert natin sa hour, i-multiply lang natin sa conversion. Minutes, so nasa ilalim yung minutes. So we have 60 minutes equals 1 hour. So cancel natin yung minutes. So ang matitira 30 over 60. So pwedeng i-lowest term 30 over 60, that is equal to 1/2 hour. Or in decimal, that is 0.5. Okay, so now substitute lang natin sa formula. Ang rate natin ay 60 kph. Multiply lang natin sa time natin is 1/2 hour. So 60 times 1/2, that is equal to 60 divided by 2 is 30. So therefore, the answer is 30 kilometers, letter B. Follow for more.